Hey there, it's Nick from Ruly. In this video, I'll walk you through how to safely promote changes between environments using app export and import. The process of using separate QA and PROD environments allows you to test and validate changes before rolling them out to users, and minimize risk. When synced, both QA and PROD environments will have the same models, views, forms, rules, and other metadata. However, the actual data is usually different. App import-export promotes changes in metadata between environments, leaving the data separate and unaffected. Let's start in our QA environment. This is our testing space, with sample data and test users where we can make changes without impacting production users. The same app is configured in both environments. I have a few models set up like this photography model. To make things easier to recognize, I've set a different color for this environment, so we can clearly distinguish it from production. Now if I switch over to our production environment, you can see the data is different. An exception to this is lookup data. For example, the locations table, the data is actually the same across both environments. That's because the locations are standardized and included as part of the app configuration. Again, notice the different color in this environment. To make sure that lookup data will be promoted as well between environments, make sure to change the type of data model to lookup. And ensure the unique key is configured. Now let's say we have a new requirement to implement. I've made my changes and tested them, and I'm ready to move them into production. To do that, I'll go to Applications under Configuration. And I'll click the Actions button, and then click to export changes. Here we see a list of changes made to the app. Each item has a name, type, and event type. Each event type is labeled with new, updated, or deleted, making it easy to understand exactly what's being included in the export. In our example, the changes include a new form, an updated list, changes to lookup data as I added some new locations, a deleted rule and operation. You can select all or individual items to export them. Let's click to export all changes. A JSON file is generated. Now let's go back to our production environment. Let's do the same on the application screen. Note that the current version of the app will change after the import. Click the actions and then click to import the file. I'll drag the file we just exported into this prompt and click OK. The last important version is now updated. The import was complete. I can click on the import-export log to view a history of all imports, and click on an individual entry to see more information. I can click on the Imported Objects tab to view the exact imported objects. Here we see the imported view from QA. Thanks for watching.